The Fellowship of the Verbs, a tale of OpenVerb. In the early age of software, before systems were truly understood, there existed a shadow across the world of AI. It was not obvious at first. Developers built powerful applications. They connected models to tools. They wrote prompts like, "Fill this form," or "Send this request," or "Analyze this data." And the AI responded. It worked. At least, it seemed to. But something was wrong. The actions were happening, yet no one could see them. There was no central place where these capabilities lived. No list, no registry, no map. A developer might ask, "What can my AI actually do?" And there would be no clear answer, because the actions were scattered, hidden inside prompts, buried in routes, split across front-end logic and back-end handlers. One function here, another there, a third inside some API call. A system of invisible power, like something forged in darkness. As these systems grew, the problem only became worse. One tool became 10, 10 became 100, and still, no one could see the full picture. Debugging became guesswork, execution became unpredictable, and developers began to feel it. They were no longer fully in control of the systems they had built. It was as if something had slipped into the shadows, something powerful, but unseen. Then, a shift began. Not from more power, but from clarity, from structure, from the simple idea that actions should not be hidden, they should be declared. And from that idea, OpenVerb was born. OpenVerb did something radically simple. It gave every action a name. Not a vague instruction, not a hidden function. A verb. Clear, defined, visible. Instead of asking an AI to do something, the system would declare exactly what existed. Create survey job, generate invoice, geocode address, send notification. Each one defined, each one structured, each one known. For the first time, developers could see the full surface of their system. They could list every action. They could understand what the AI was capable of. They could control it, audit it, restrict it, scale it. What once lived in the shadows was now brought into the light, and everything changed. The system was no longer a collection of hidden behaviors. It became a declared world of actions, a fellowship of verbs. Each verb with a purpose, each verb with defined inputs, defined outputs, defined effects, working together not as chaos, but as a system. And the developer was no longer guessing, no longer hoping the AI would behave. They were orchestrating it, with precision, with visibility, with control. And in that moment, the truth became clear. The problem was never that AI was too powerful. The problem was that its power was invisible. OpenVerb did not make AI stronger, it made it understandable. And that changed everything.